What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Deberoo, and in this video we'll show you the third part of this live build. If you haven't seen the first two parts yet, make sure to check them out. And in this part we're gonna set up our volume and we're gonna make our creatives. Have fun, enjoy, and good luck. Alright, let's do this. First, I'm gonna add the offer. New offer. Affiliate network is AdCombo. As you can see, I already made it. Here we go. Bento lits. Offer URL. Gonna get that from AdCombo, no pre-landing with this lander. We copy the link. And where's volume? Right here. Paste it in. And the click ID. Copy that, paste it in. Awesome. All right, looks so good, looks so good, looks so good. Save it. Let's go to the lander. Before we add our lander, let's get our click ID. Let's see, so we go to the settings and then we go to tracking URLs. Click URL, copy, it's copied. Go to landerize, we go to the editor part, paste it in, change the links and save it. So what I wonder, these don't change. Okay, so that means that the links that we've added manually, we would need to change those to the click URL as well. Otherwise they will not get tracked. Did I do this one? Nope. So yeah, I'll do the other ones in a second, but you do want to change them all so that every click gets tracked. All right, your lander. France. Bento lit. AdCombo. Stanley Mastermind. The lander URL. Publish this on the right domain. There we go. And we have our lander link. You can also get that from your bucket if you prefer. Verify landing page, all good. Save that. Then we want to add our flow. As you can see, I'm going through it a little bit faster. If you have any problems with this setup, go back into the course to watch another live build or the setups. All right, double meta refresh. We're gonna select a lander, Bento lit. We select our offer, Bento lit. Save that. Create our campaign. New campaign, DSP, native. So AdThink has France and at the top, but 99% desktop. Let's see who else is in there. Improve digital, yeah. Let's go with improve digital. Bento lit, AdCombo, Not combo, but combo. My name, mastermind, workspace, initial. We're going to select a flow right there at the top. Brand domain is what if, let's try it in a new tab, bentolit.com. What do we get? Awesome. All right, cool. Good stuff. Whoops, volume. bentolit.com. Next up, our targeting. We're gonna run it France. Good stuff. Sure. Mobile. Looks all good to me. So our bids, let's start out with 25% since we don't have a whitelist for this one, 55 cents. We're gonna run with a daily budget of 500 and run it smooth. Next up, our creatives. So what should our creatives be? Improve digital, 350 by 200. $200 by 350. All right. Oh, like usual, I do it the wrong way around. 350 by 200. Awesome. All right. So we want to take the approach of the volcano clay. Pool, I guess. Right. Sure, that might work. So these pictures are very, very gray and dark, don't have a lot of color in it, so we do have to make them jump. Is quality good enough? No. Definitely not. This one looks better. Yep, a lot better. A whole lot better. Make it red. Download in JPG. Awesome. Let's look for a volcano. Let's test that out as well. Save image. Beautiful. Right, that one is downloading as well. I want to try a before and after. Just to give it a shot. Let's see. Usually I would spend more time on this, but the Blender, we spend a lot of time there, so I'll be going through this a little bit faster. Get that one in, make it red. And download it. Let's get one more, shall we? Maybe some weird ass coffee. Because eventually it is coffee, so. That looks weird. Save image. All right. And make it red. And I want it to be right there. And download. Let's upload these. So this should be the first. 10, 11, and 12. Headlines. Volcano clay helps you lose 3.5 kilograms a week. No gym needed. Doctors shocked. Miracle volcano clay proven to burn body fat. This secret method will help you get your ultimate body. Eat what you want and still lose weight thanks to volcano clay. That's fine. Description. Using volcano clay as delicious whoops. Using volcano clay as delicious way to lose some kgs. Doctors are shocked by the insane results. brand name, what was our brand name again? Fruity Blog. All right. And we need an icon. What size does the icon need to be? Optional. Okay. Does that mean we can actually use this one? You know what? Let's just try it out. Where is it? It's right here. Yeah, I got no clue. I think it's over here. Nope. This one is though. Yeah. Let's do that. Read more is going to be our call to action. Let's create it. Awesome. Looks good. And then the optimization. So the frequency capping basically means how many times can one person see your ad. I'm going to put it on 2. And we're going to run it at all time to start. Save that. Awesome. And our campaign has been created. So that was the live build of this bento lit offer. I'm just going to tweak all the extras like these on the side. And it looks like my image didn't come through. All right, so I'll fix that. But that's going to be it for now. I'll catch you next time. Peace. All right, that's going to be it for this live build. Thank you for watching and good luck with implementing everything you've learned. Stay tuned for more. Catch you next time.